Okay, well here we are at Maxs Garaj Mahal and the old 1996 MTD all-wheel steer Yardman. Battery is let's see, April of 11, and this is October of 2021. So the battery's finally creeped itself out, and we're going to have to put a battery up, but I'm going to show you how to test one. Now, first of all, this has been on charger all day, and it's got 13.2 volts in it. And the reason why it's got that little is because I used the genuine battery tester on it right here. And I put 3 load tests on it, so it pulled it down pretty far. But I'm going to show you how to use this thing. It's really simple. You're going to put the positive on positive, negative on negative. Then you're going to push this load button right here, and you're going to hold that for 10 seconds. Then you're going to, while it's on load, you're going to read the scale right here. And hopefully, if the battery's good, it won't get any further down than weak, but you hope it'll stay in this green area right here. This one, I think you're going to find is a little less than desirable. So now, let me put the camera pointed down so you can see down here. Then let's zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you can see that scale. Now then, first let's get this where you can see it. See if you can see that. And well, there you go, 13.19. Hope you can see that. Okay, so that should be a good battery, right? Well, okay. Now then, let's take the genuine battery load tester. This is what you're gonna, the load test that we're gonna see when you take it into your battery store. If you have a regular battery store, you take it to an auto parts store. They're going to use something similar to this, and when you hit that load, then as you can see, it just goes plumb to zero. So although it has amps, or it has volts, it has no amperage in the battery. So therefore, now we've tested everything on a little more. We've cleaned grounds and terminals and cleaned the cables and all that. So that's defective.